I have a very interesting itinerary 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise for you on the Celebrity Beyond with a great cruise deal for Cyber Week. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and welcome to our cruise deal show. Well, I have a very interesting Cyber Week special on the Celebrity Beyond for December 14th, 2025. It's a wonderful itinerary, but before I get into it, I would like to thank everybody who has become a member of this Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for doing it. It's so appreciated. And if you're new here or you've been watching and you haven't subscribed just yet, hey, think about subscribing. Turn that notification bell on. We would love to have you here as a member of the crew. And while you're down there, hit that like button. It really does help that YouTube algorithm, does help other people find this great cruise deal, and it helps this community grow. Thank you so much for doing that. Well, with that out of the way, let's talk a little bit about this amazing cruise deal that we have for Cyber Week on the Celebrity Beyond on December 14th, 2025. So like I've been saying, folks, this is for the Celebrity Beyond on December 14th, 2025. Now, the Beyond is a great ship. Captain Kate is an amazing captain. We were just on the Beyond in September, and it's amazing how engaged she is with the people on that ship, both the crew and all the passengers. She is a great person. You will love the Beyond. It is a beautiful ship, absolutely gorgeous, stunning lines, wonderful, wonderful places to go visit on the ship, great entertainment, great food. This is a great ship. But the real kicker about this December 14th, 2025 cruise is the itinerary. This is a very interesting Eastern Caribbean itinerary, folks. You start off with the basics. You're going to go to Nassau, but after that, it's where things kind of switch up from the normal Eastern Caribbean cruises. First, you're going to go to Tortola in the British Virgin Islands rather than, St. Thomas or St. Martin with the American Virgin Islands. And then finally, you are going to go to Antigua, which is really, really different for a 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise. So if you've never been to Antigua, this is a great opportunity to go take a look at it on a 7-night cruise, when normally you have to go on a 9-10 night cruise just to get to Antigua. Unless, of course, you're cruising out of a different port such as San Juan, then you can do that on a 7-night cruise. But normally, if you want to go to Antigua, you're going to have to be on a longer cruise. This gives you the opportunity to go to that island on a shorter 7-night cruise. So the pricing that we got on this cruise is great. It's going to save you a boatload of money. But let me tell you exactly what you get for these prices. The prices that I'm going to show you is for two people in the cabin. It is the total stateroom price. It's not a per person price. What you get with this price is the Celebrity all-included package. That is your classic drinks as well as your basic unlimited Wi-Fi. You are also going to get a 100% refundable deposit. The deposit on these cruises are $500. And we got a lot of choices here too of the different types of cabin categories, folks. So we're going to go through all of them. And if you have any questions, we'll talk about later on how to contact us so you can get more information about these prices. But first, let's talk about the Aqua Class prices that we have. For Aqua Class, we have the price of $4,377.28, and you're also going to get $50 on board credit. This is going to save you $2,043 versus the Celebrity website, because if you go there, they're going to want $6,420.50. Actually, $28.50. I can't read my own handwriting sometimes, folks. But anyway, it's a great deal, saving you over $2,000. If you want to still save $2,000 but not be in Aqua Class and save some money, you can get Concierge Class. Our Concierge Class cabins are $3,393.28, and you're also going to get that $50 on board credit with all the perks. It's going to save you $2,019 versus the Celebrity website, because if you go there, they want $5,412. Now, if you go down even further and you go to a deluxe porthole view with a true veranda, this is a true veranda, folks, with a sliding glass door, not the infinite veranda with the rolling window that comes down. If you want one of those on a great location, P1 location, that means it's a prime location. The price for those is $3,181.28 with $50 on board credit. If you go to the Celebrity website, they want $5,058.50 for the same room, saving you $1,877 in the process. We also have ocean views at a great price, under $3,000, folks. The ocean view prices for 2 people with all the perks with the refundable deposit is $2,667.28. You'll still get that $50 on board credit, and you're going to save $1,490 versus the Celebrity website, because if you go there, the price is $4,157.50. Finally, we do have deluxe inside cabins as well at a great price. The price on those deluxe insides are $2,591.28 with $50 on board credit, saving you $1,237, because if you were to go to the Celebrity website, put in the same perk package, same deposit policy, the folks over at Celebrity are going to want to get $3,828.50. So a great deal all the way down through all the different cabin categories. Now you're saying, Rob, how do we get in touch with you so we can get this great deal? Let's talk about that now. So to get in contact with us, the best and easiest way to do it is to give us a call at the number right down there below. When you call that number, hit extension 1, that will bring you to me, Robert. If you hit extension 2, that will bring you to my wife, Cheryl. Now, if you do not want to give us a call, but you want to get some information about this cruise or any cruise whatsoever, we have a lot of group rates. You can click the link that I will leave in the description down below. Fill that out. Let us know you want to go on this cruise on the Celebrity Beyond for December 14th, 2025, or let us know about any cruise that you're thinking about, and we will get in contact with you as soon as we can. And finally, if you're sitting in the living room and you're watching YouTube and you don't have access to a keyboard or a mouse, well, point your phone to this QR code that I'll leave right there. When you do that, it will bring you to that same travel interest survey form that I was talking about. Fill it out. We will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. So there you go, folks. That is our cruise deal for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, give it a big thumbs up. Like I said before, it really does help the YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this great channel, and it does help other people go on this great cruise deal along with you. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. It really, really is important to us. You've been watching so long. Hey, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on. Thank you so much for doing it. Leave a comment in the section down below too. We would love to hear what you think about a 7-night itinerary from Florida going to Antigua. It is such an interesting itinerary. We would love to hear what you think about it. What do you think about the Celebrity Beyond? What do you think about Captain Kate? We love engaging with you folks in the comments section. We love talking with you folks, and we try to touch base with each and every person who leaves a comment in the comment section. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to always seek the seas. Bye now.